Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Latham Buick GMC here in lovely downtown Richmond. I'm Ralph, and I'd like to introduce you to this 2007 fresh off lease Buick Lucerne CXL. Folks, it's the flagship of the Buick line. It's just gorgeous. It's black alloy wheels, gray leather interior, and equipped the way you'd expect a luxurious Buick product to be equipped. Just outstanding. Very clean, folks, to go along with a nice, clean Carfax. When I was looking at the Carfax a moment ago, I noticed that a conscientious owner had it back to the dealer for all its, have its oil changes, its little maintenance is done. Very clean on the inside. Very fresh. Smells fresh as a daisy, folks. Lovely wood grain appointments. Leather, power windows, locks, folks. This car has got it all. Just excellent condition with 21,000 miles. 21,000 miles, folks. And the price is $18,995. 07 Buick Lucerne, fresh off lease with GMAC. That's what we do here at Latham. We sell low miles, late model cars for less. That's what we do. This car does come with a 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty built right in, folks. A lot of protection for you. Please give us a call, 586-727-3115, and we can arrange for a test drive today. Thank you for your time.